We often hear about the interesting link of eating carrots and improvement of eyesight. This is something that is so much talked about that many other superfoods for the eyesight and vision are often missed. Today, I am going to tell you about some exciting superfoods, or in simple words, the diet for the sight, a diet for healthy vision that will definitely help you improve and maintain your eyesight. But before anything else, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be the first one to watch my videos on diet, health and fitness. Our eyes act as our windows to the outside world. They establish the most vital communication between us and others. Hence, if our eyes are not healthy, our world could become dark and a nightmare. Therefore, it is vital to keep our eyes healthy and protect them from the disease. Let's first talk about the three most common eye diseases. The first problem is blindness, which can be age-related or due to diabetes. It is a well-established fact that a diet low in carbohydrates is suitable for people with diabetes. Therefore, anything with high carbs such as white flour, white rice and refined sugar should be avoided. This not only reduces the risk of diabetes but also improves vision and eyesight. Now we talk about myopia, which is also known as short-sightedness. Myopia is the commonest eye problem worldwide as it affects at least 27% of the world population today. Myopia is mostly family or genes related, but modern research shows that with healthy diet, myopia can be controlled or at least its progression can be checked. Many studies also show that those children who eat more white bread and cereals are more prone to developing myopia. This is due to the fact that these high-carb foods induce rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and hence also causing frequent insulin rise. Therefore, it is recommended to go for a diet low in carbohydrates but high in proteins such as dairy, eggs, meat and vitamin D. Likewise, overweight children are at increased risk of developing myopia. So any balanced diet that maintains normal body weight is good. Last but not the least, cataract is also very important and common eye disease. Again, research shows crucial role of three vitamins, vitamin A, C and vitamin E for the prevention of cataract. So any diet rich in these vitamins will have a preventive role against cataract. In addition to these vitamins, two antioxidants, namely zeaxanthin and lutein, have a protective role against cataract. These two substances are naturally found in our eyes. However, since our body cannot make them on its own, we should take them as a part of our daily diet. Zeaxanthin in particular is also known as our body's natural sunglasses, as it helps protect against blue light, which is found in sunlight and mobile phone screens. Zeaxanthin and lutein are found in egg yolk and green leafy vegetables such as kale, collard, spinach, Brussels sprout, broccoli, basil seeds, corn, red peppers, lettuce and green peas. You may also take these in a supplement form. If taking as a supplement, the minimum recommended dose for zeaxanthin is 2 mg and lutein is 10 mg. Finally, there are also a number of recommended supplements for eye health such as any good vitamin B complex supplement, because vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, also known as folic acid, and B12 are known to play a significant role in maintaining eye vision and eye disease prevention. Likewise, zinc supplementation also has an important role in this regard. Another supplement called Differel E has shown promising role in myopia and cataract prevention. Summing up, a healthy diet for eye and vision combined with healthy lifestyle, which includes avoiding smoking and blue light, is a key to optimal eye health and eyesight. If you have any questions on this video, please do ask in the comment section and I shall be happy to answer them. Here is the diet list for the eyesight. In fruit, papaya, apricot, strawberry, blueberry, cherry, kiwi, cantaloupe, tomato and orange. In vegetables, kale, collard, Brussels sprout, broccoli, spinach, carrot, beet, lettuce, sweet potato, corn, onion, garlic, red peppers and zucchini. Then sunflower seeds, basil seeds, chickpeas, walnuts, almonds and pistachios, and meat of every kind, especially fish such as salmon and eggs.